Meaning of eternity.
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 Eternity. Eternity refers to a state of being that is timeless and endless. It describes a concept or condition that exists beyond the constraints of time, and is considered to be infinite and everlasting. This notion can be found in religious and philosophical contexts, and is often associated with ideas of immortality, transcendence, and the afterlife. As a result, eternity has been a subject of fascination and contemplation for many cultures throughout history, as it offers a glimpse into the ultimate mysteries of existence and the nature of being.